Attach2 started in end of '07. We knew it was not an easy market, we knew it was demanding, but to get into that game, we'll call it, into that business, we knew we had to do it right. There was really only one shot at it.
We supply excavator attachments to the New Zealand and primarily the Australasian markets. It's our primary reason for being, is to supply the excavator dealers or the OEM reps with attachments for new machines.
Attach2 is based in Masterton, which is where our grassroots are. And then we've got a big presence in Brisbane. We have an office in India where we've got a team of designers and engineers. Then we've got an office down in Sydney and in Victoria as well.
We're the trusted name in excavator attachments for New Zealand, Australia, as well as internationally. You can even find Attach2 stuff on some Caterpillar gear in Antarctica.
Attach2, our flagship product, will be our shore grip and Heli-Tilt couplers. The market leading as far as functionality, size, weight, performance, all those sorts of things which are really important.
From a fabricator's perspective, being on the floor with the guys out there, every day we're coming up with new strategies to increase the quality of our work. I mean, if there's unforeseen deadlines or if there is something that needs to be done that's out of the ordinary, there's never any discussion amongst the team about all hands being on deck and just doing what you've got to do to get it out the door.
We spend a lot of time planning inventory and material, and that way we know when we receive an order from the customer, we will have the stock on the shelf so we can quickly configure it and dispatch it within a few days.
What I like the most is the continual growth of the company. The company had obviously a small amount of customers, and 7 years later still have a lot of those same customers and a lot of development in our products.
So when it comes to the quality of Attach2 products, I can say we have the right processes that we are having in the production. We got right people in the job, and before the products are going out from the factory, we are making sure that it's all 100% in good condition, workable, and we make sure that it's going to be easier for the customer to use.
Really open book as far as our specs of our product goes. A lot of people like to hide that sort of information. For us, well, hey, if the customer wants to know it, then we may as well put it out there. So all that sort of stuff, safe working limits, pin-to-pin breakout heights, pin center pickup range of our hitches, weights, all that stuff is actually on our website.
The steels and the steels we use, we're very fussy on this right steels in the right place and the correct steels being used. With that, we have a lot of quality assurance and quality checks, but the thing is, if there is any quality issue, we face up to it very quickly and we see it right.
All of Attach2 product comes with 3-year warranty, so that means if anything's broken in the scope of within 3 years, we are guaranteed to replace it or rework it.
If we get a breakage out in the field, we've got spares on the shelf. If you're local, I'll even stick it in the car and drive it over if it gets the customer up and running.
Our customers know that we have that support, and they know that they're not going to be left in the lurch with any answer.
It's not just the sale of the unit, it's the product they're buying and the service they're being provided. It's peace of mind for the customer.
We're just one call away and we can help you with whatever you need.
For us, as far as growth goes, it's been exponential. Making it easy is, we live and breathe that, continuous improvement. So we're always looking at ways to improve where we are, making it better. So we want to make it better for everyone involved. So the end user, if we partner with the OEM or the dealer and selling that machine, if that end user is really happy with the service that they've gotten as the package, that's our win.
We do go over and beyond for our customers, going out on sites as well, looking after them. We are here for them and we got their back.
Always open for conversations, doesn't matter what level of the spectrum, whether it's your first machine or your 50th machine, we're comfortable to deal with everyone and help you out and get a good result.
If you have the end vision, the whole goal in the mind to get to where we are today, and I think I could use the word, I think we've cracked that.
Even though Attach2 has grown across different countries, grown in employee size, and grown all together, we haven't lost that essence of it being a family-owned company and giving that sort of that bespoke experience to our customers.